good. Put up a song real quick and let's get it running. Checking ourselves, all good. I'm gonna take a road that I usually don't take so we can get some nice ride in, I guess. Let me talk actually whilst we're just filming, because you guys can see the car is still cold, so I just have to warm it up, drive it a bit warm. I'm going to the gym. It's like a 50-minute drive. You guys will be with me today. It's an absolutely good day. It is let me show you guys. Well, it's 8 p.m. It's Monday 23rd of March, and if you go to my Top Step live account, you guys can see, what can we see, that we're up. I mean, I'm not too sure how good this camera shows, but we're up 26 bandos, which is amazing, right? I ordered carbon bits. I ordered a front grille, I ordered a front lip, I ordered front fenders, a side skirt, but that will come later, a diffuser and a spoiler, right? So those are coming. That will be absolutely amazing. I think it will look fucking clean on the car. It's been sunny past couple of days, and like the color of my car is really popping out, which, like, obviously when I bought the car it was rainy weather and you couldn't really see it, but when it's like shining, obviously when the sun is shining, it's the weather is better, so that's good because my car just looks way sexier, right? Anyways, that's good, all good news. I'm just gonna request that payout and stop trading. I just need to do probably one more minimum day that I'm chilling. I'm gonna take a left here, because I'm always right. Come on, you know what I'm saying. But yeah, I'm gonna go to the gym with my cousin. Let me know what you guys like more. Would you guys like more me talking while driving, or would you guys just like POV drive? Put the windows down a little bit, let the car speak for itself, make some noise, whatever. Let me know in the comments, and I can adjust myself to that. I will obviously, like, I know that most of you guys do want vlogs. I will try to also film vlogs, but usually I'm just like doing fuck all, not really vlog content. So that's why I don't really vlog that much. But just let me know what you guys think, if this content is good as well. I think, like, I would assume this content is nice because I sometimes do watch people just driving around and like get a POV camera or whatever. I don't know how good this angle is, by the way. Like, if I look at this, it is pretty good, but I'm not too sure. Obviously I'll have to recheck on my PC because it does look like it's a bit on the right, because I think the camera's on the right side, but we'll figure that shit out. And I still have to get my ammo done. My ammo display doesn't work. I think it'll look better for like video purposes, but currently it doesn't work because obviously I got my OPF deleted. So I just have to like the guy who did it has to figure it out. And also and he has my air intakes as well, so that's good because I'll get my air intakes as well. I think this week my car is just gonna transition. I'll get new tires, I'll get a new brake blocks, right? I don't know what it's exactly called. I think it's brake blocks. It's not brake pads, or brake pads, my bad. So not the whole rim, it's brake is the brake pads that are on your caliper. That's gonna get changed. It costs like 350 bucks. I'm doing a big service, which is like 1,500 bucks. I ordered that carbon kit, which is like 1,600 bucks. So that's already like 3 grand, and then the tires were like 1 grand. It's a Michelin's Pilot Sport 4S, brand new ones. I only buy brand new tires. I don't do second hand or barely worn tires. I don't really like. I don't really trust that, to be honest. I mean, maybe they are trustable, but I don't like. I don't want to drive a like 100 grand car and fucking put on second hand tires, So I mean, that's just how I see it, right? So whatever people do, to each their own. Like, I knew when I bought this car I was not gonna cheap out on anything, and obviously I've driven already like 8,000 kilometers or 7,000 kilometers, so it's normal. I wasn't supposed to do the big service, but I was gonna change my spark plugs, and the spark plugs were mad expensive. Like, they said, spark plugs is the most expensive thing in the big service, and they quoted me 1,100 bucks, like euros, for spark plugs and my engine oil and my engine filter. And then they said, if you want, we can do a big service like like the micro filter, interior filter, whatever, all that stuff, and that's $1,500. So I was like, might as well do that. Then I'll be safe for another 15-20,000 kilometers. But obviously, I always change my my engine oil every 7,000 to 8,000 kilometers, and then probably my spark plugs I will do every 15,000. I'll have to speak with my mechanic. My mechanic just tells me whatever. I trust my mechanic because he used to work at BMW for like a couple of years, so he does know quite a lot about BMWs. So yeah, that's the car. The car is getting refreshed. It's getting chilled. Currently, I like how the car sits. The sound is good. I have XHP, which is transmission tune. Really, you kind of do feel it. I will get intakes. I have differential tune as well, and some other bullshit that I don't even know what it is. Obviously, the car is still stock because I have warranty, and I will not void my warranty for a stage tune. I mean, stage 2 might be nice. It was like 800 horsepower, but like currently it's like probably at 630, 640, so that's quite a lot. There's probably no car stock gapping me. Like even stage 1 stage tunes will be hard unless it's like an M4 or I don't know, like a 140i or whatever. They're fucking minions. They be fast as fuck when they're like stage 2. But yeah, I'm just stock. So stock for stock, I'm beating probably any car, unless like a Ferrari. Which then again, in launch, I am probably beating them as well because my launch is way better because I have xDrive and they have rear-wheel drive. But obviously, then like once we get to higher speeds, they just fuck me over. But that's fine because I'm talking about sedan competition, and I think M5 is the fastest sedan besides that GT63 SE thing. But like that's like a whole nother level. That's like a double the price of my car, right? And M5 CS, but that's also like 50 grand more. So we don't really count that. No, yeah. So we're just driving. The car is warming up pretty good. I don't know why there's 2 total energies here. I never knew that because I always drive quite a bit to fill up. I always fill up on total energies. If you're in Europe, specifically like Belgium, Netherlands, Germany, or I don't know where they really are, you should always fill up your BMW with total energies. That's the best for your BMW. So yeah, with that being said, the car kind of is warming up, so that's really, really nice. We do have quite a bit of road ahead of us, so what I usually do is between these roads I'll just go on M2. M2 is DSC off and rear-wheel drive, because obviously my tires are like pretty much dead. I just slide very easily, which is kind of fun. So like I'll give you guys an example. I'll just like instantly I'll just start like, also because the transmission tune, I don't think it had like an added torque, but obviously you shift better, and I think also there's more reaction and like versatility. But it's nice though because like, man, I mean the car sounds nice as well, so I guess we have that benefit as well. So the car is like at 90 degrees. That was police. I guess we're lucky. I mean, I have my laser thing. Yeah, that's a bit late, cuzzy. Sometimes it is a little bit late, like sometimes, but it does warn you up front. Like for example, it has that one yellow one like this, and then it's like quite far, but you will never know how far that is. And sometimes it's also like it could be on the right side, 1 kilometer on the right side, so it's not even on my road, right? So you'll never know. But well, yeah, I mean, at least it does prevent, like, it has helped me so many times. So I mean, I'm happy this was included in my car. I didn't pay for this separately. I think it's like 3 grand if you want to pay for it separately. So I guess I'm just chilling like that. But yeah, now that's just pretty simple. Let me give you guys some sound. I don't know how good it sounds on the car. Obviously you have to drive a bit more slower, because when you're going fast, obviously like the wind will fuck up the sound, right? And with the fact that the car is completely stock, like you have to kind of learn at what RPM it will burble, because it's like just like stock burble. Like this is not like a tune, pop and bang tune or whatever. So it only burbles at 3.5K and 5 or 5.5K RPM on second and third gear, and the first gear it does whatever. And it also does it like a 2k RPM at 5th and 4th gear, and like 3k RPM, but they're like really soft. Like you can maybe hear them. They're like kind of shit. But this is how it was stock. Like it was so ass. Like you can, obviously second gear will do anything, and then first gear is like anything as well, you know. So that's good. So yeah, I mean, I'm happy with how the car sounds. I think it was good. And it drives smooth. I have no issue with the car. So I'm just
You
know what's kind of fun that I do, like I mean, I don't do it on purpose, but like sometimes I'm behind someone driving and they don't want to move, then all I literally do is I'll go behind them and I'll just start doing this. And I know it's mad annoying, but then the guy in front, you just fucking go away, innit? I mean, obviously this guy can't because it's a single lane, but sometimes you're on a double lane and people love to drive in the left lane. I don't fucking know why, but yeah, that's that. Let me give you guys a last little pull, then I'm gonna close it because it will be close to the gym, and then I can just go and do my workout. You know, today we got chest and triceps. Come on, Kazi. We're locked in like that. Back to the gym. Obviously Ramadan ended like a week ago, so we have to get back into it. Like I took like I think in 2 weeks, the last 2 weeks I only went like 2 times, and then since last week Thursday or Friday I started picking up. Because I just hit the curb. That's kind of fucked. But yeah, we'll see. I'll also see how good the voice quality and everything is, because maybe I'll have to add what is it called, like a mic or some shit. I mean, I was trying to buy a magnetic mic so I can put it on my exhaust, but it's like a hassle. So I mean, I'll figure that out as well though.